Hi, Yummylicious choppers. This is what we're gonna be chopping today on today's edition of Yummylicious Chop. As you can see, we have our shrimp fried rice and it has a lot of goodies. Stay tuned. Hi, Yummylicious choppers. Welcome back. It's been a while. Today we are gonna be chopping fried rice, shrimp fried rice, of course, and I'm gonna dive in and just introduce you to the ingredients of what we're gonna be using to make our fried rice today. So I'm gonna start with the rice. Here we have our already cooked rice. I took a shortcut. I did not want to start from doing everything the other recipe, so this is my own recipe for a quick fried rice. And I already boiled the rice with some salt. We have vegetable oil. My pan is already dry, so I'll just go ahead and pour some. Okay, Yummylicious choppers, so we'll go ahead to put the first thing you want to put in is your chopped onion. There we go. Our oil is not too hot. I don't want it too hot. You don't want the onion to burn, but as you can see, it's cooking. It's hot enough. And then you add your green onion. In my village where I come from, we actually have a rice. Like, my village is known for cultivating rice from Dop. I'm from Dop, Cameroon. Okay, so Yummylicious choppers, it's smelling good, not too hot, but if you were here right now, as soon as I put the garlic, ginger, oregano, persil, and rosemary, and the pepper, you will testify that the flavor is gonna change. But if I had put this one first, it will not give me the flavor that I'm gonna be, the aroma that I'm gonna be perceiving very soon. So the timing and the placement really matters. So I'll add the salt to taste. Usually you just put salt in food to taste. If you eat a lot of salt, go ahead and put a quantity that is right for you. So I'll go ahead and mix our egg and just go ahead to add it. So there you go. You don't want to do anything after pouring it in. Just leave it to cook. And now I want to add our shrimp. So I'll go ahead to put in our rice. You want to add the rice slowly. You stir, just because you don't want the rice to be too much. You want to put the dry spices when you put the rice. And you add your black pepper, just sprinkle a little bit, not a lot. So now that you put everything, you just stir and let it cook for say 2 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on the fire. But for me, mine is really hot. If you're using a slow heat, you can leave it for about 5 minutes. So Yummylicious choppers, that's our bowl. And I will go ahead to taste, just so you guys know that it was real food I was cooking. It's so hot. It's really like spicy kind of flavor, but it tastes so good. Like when you put the first spoon in your mouth, it gives you that spiciness and I think as you continue to eat, your mouth is just gonna adapt to the spicy nature of the food. It's so yummy. So we're gonna move over to our juice. Stay tuned, guys, don't go anywhere. So guys, we are gonna be moving to doing our fruit juice, our orange juice. I already washed the oranges just in case you're wondering. So you just use the see what we got from it. There you have it, guys, a fresh fruit juice or orange juice and your rice, your Yummylicious rice. So enjoy, guys, and next time we're gonna be doing something maybe African or something that I developed. I don't really know for now, but your comments and suggestions will really go a long way. Thank you, Yummylicious choppers, and stay tuned to more episodes. Bye.